Friends, did you know that right now, inside your body, nearly 37 trillion tiny living workers are working day and night? Whether you are sleeping, working, laughing, or running, they never stop, not even for a single second. But the surprising thing is, we cannot see them, nor can we feel them. So, who are these invisible workers? And what would happen? They stopped working for just one day. By the end of the today's video, you will never look at your body the same way again. Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to talk about one of the greatest mystery of life. The mystery is the cell. Many of us learned in school that the cell is the basic unit of life. But honestly, most people never truly understood the real importance of cells just by hearing that definition. Today, I will explain in very simple language what a cell actually is, why life is impossible without cell, the role cell play in every function of your body, some incredible facts that will truly amaze you. So stay with us until the end because I will share a fascinating fact that may help you see your own life in a completely new way. Let's begin with a very simple example. Imagine you want to build a house. What to do? You need to build a house? Bricks. Thousands of bricks come together to form a house. In exactly the same way, billions and trillions of cells come together to form your body. In other words, cells are the bricks of the human body. But here's the biggest difference. Bricks are not alive, cells are alive. Yes, every cell in your body is living. They work, produce energy, communicate, repair, damage, and even die when necessary. Just imagine what an extraordinary world is opening inside your body right now. Tell me in the comments, before today, did you know that every cell in your body is alive? If yes, type yes in the comments. If no, type no. Now let's move to a fact that may completely surprise many people. You, me, and every human being on earth were one just a single cell. Just one. That's one cell divide again and again. It become 2, 4, then 8, then 16. And eventually billions and trillions of cells were formed. Those cells then create the complicated human being you are today. Think about it. You are entire life, your entire body, your entire existence began from a single cell. Isn't that incredible? Now imagine that your body is a giant city. This city has roads, electricity, delivery services, security workers, repair crews. All of these jobs are performed by cells. Red blood cells are likely delivery trucks. Nerve cells are like internet cables and electrical wires. Muscle cells, the workers. Skin cells are the security guard. In other words, every cell in your body has its own specific job. Together, they keep you alive. Now, the question is whether do cells get the energy to work? Where do cells get the energy to work? Inside every cell are tiny energy producing structures. These are called mitochondria. Simply put, they are the power station of the cell. When you eat food, these tiny power stations convert that food into unusable energy. Are you working? Call cells are working. Are you speaking? Cells are speaking. Are you thinking? Cells are thinking. But friends, the most amazing part is still ahead. Your body's cells do more than just work. They can also help repair you when needed. How? Let's find out. Suppose you cut your finger. A few days later, the wound begins to heal. But who healed it? Did a doctor come inside your body and repair it? No. Your cells did. Thousands of cells rush to the injured area. They begin the repair process. They create new tissues and gradually the wound heals. In other words, a massive repair team is consistently working inside your body. Think about your mobile phone. If the tiny components inside it stop functioning, the entire phone will stop working. Simply, if your cells stop working, your body will stop functioning as well. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, every smile, All of them depends on cell. Let's quickly look at some incredible facts. Number 1, your body contains approximately 37 trillion cells. Number 2, you were one, just a single cell. Number 3, many of your skin cells are constantly replaced. Number 4, cells can communicate with one another. Number 5, every memory and thought depends on brain cells. Number 6, cells can repair themselves. Number 7, tiny power station exists inside the cell. Number 8, life is impossible without cells. Now, I would like to ask you a question. Which fact amazed you the most today? 37 trillion cells. We were one a single cell. Cell heal wounds on their own. Cell have their own power stations. Write your answer in the comments. And if you haven't shared these live sessions 8, please share it so more people can learn these amazing facts. Friends, every day we look at ourselves in the mirror, but we really think about the billions and trillions of living cells working tirelessly inside us. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, every emotion, every dream exists because of these tiny yet extraordinary cells. They work silently, day and night, year and year, and that is why we are alive. If you remember just one thing today, let it be this: the greatest miracle of your life is hidden inside our own bodies, and that miracle is called the cell. If you learned something new from today's video, please give this video a like, write in the comments. Cells are truly amazing. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you would like to learn more about science, health, and mysteries of human body in simple language, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. In our next live videos, we will explore another fascinating mystery of the human body. Until then, stay healthy, stay informed, and remember, right at this moment, billions and trillions of cells inside your body are working for you.